Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. In this tutorial, I will show you how I made this Adidas hat. You can use the same process for any brand or design. I'm using a Barbie hat I purchased at Walmart. And if you like to save some money, you might want to check Goodwill or a garage sale. You will need Plasti Dip, and I'll list a link down below where you can purchase it. It's about $5. And this stuff is great, perfect for anything plastic or rubber, and whatever you spray will remain flexible, stretchy, and will not crack. And I'll tell you though, once you use it, you will want to spray everything with it. If you're looking to save some money, you can use any spray paint you have on hand. To find your logo or design to cut out with your die cut machine, we will need to head over to Google. Type in what you're looking for. I'll type in Adidas and then I'll type in PNG. I prefer that format as it works for a lot of programs. Click Enter, click Images, then click Transparent. I'll choose the first picture by clicking on it. Then I'll right click on the mouse, click Save Image As, then click Save. I will be using Cricut Design Space. If you have a different die cut machine, you should still be able to follow along with similar steps for your software. Once you have Cricut Design Space open, you will want to choose Upload. Click Upload Image. Click Browse. Find the design you downloaded and click it. Click Open. Being this is transparent, I'll choose Simple. Click Continue. Choose Continue again. You want this to be a cut image, so choose Save As Cut Image and click Save. Click your image, make sure it's highlighted. Click Insert Image. To adjust the measurements, make sure your lock is on. Highlight the width and type 0.602. Hit Enter, and the height will adjust automatically, being the lock was on. Choose Make It, turn on Mirror Image. I will use a heat transfer vinyl. It will stick better than vinyl. Remove the backing from your heat transfer. And we're going to cut right under the Adidas. That's it. Now go have fun making your hat. You know, you can pick whatever logo or design that you like for your hat. And I would love to see what you guys come up with. So please send me a photo. You can find my email down below or tag me on Instagram at Lelesdesign1. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.